Hi, my name's Leah and this video is all about how to get the most out of an open day. Now, most universities are now offering you the opportunity to attend a university in person to explore the campus and what that university has to offer. Now, most universities will have a slightly different format for their open days, but in general, at an open day, you can expect to speak to a range of different academics and current students from that university about what courses you're interested in and what the student life is like in general. Another great thing to do at an open day is to take a campus tour. Now, a lot of universities are all based on one campus, and what that means is you can easily walk from one building to the next and really explore the whole of the facilities that a university has to offer. As part of the campus tour, you'll also be able to have a look at the accommodation that's available and any specialist facilities such as sports facilities or any sort of lab and tech equipment, or any music or drama facilities as well. So make sure that you have a look at that schedule in advance and double check what times those tours are taking place for the things that matter to you, so that you are getting the most out of that open day. So make sure that you've checked that schedule and you know what time the event is due to start. Also have a think about how you're going to get to the event and the university. So if you're travelling by public transport, do you know what route you need to take, and do you know sort of what the walking distance will be like once you get to the train station, for example, at the other end? If you are travelling by car, make sure you have a look as well and see what car park you need to go to. At the University of Northampton, for example, we have 4 different car parks. So make sure you're checking all of your pre-event information so that you know that you're going to the right car park and you're in the right place. You will have a designated area to go for registration. At the registration desk, you'll simply sign in with your details, and there'll be a member of staff there to greet you, and you'll also have the opportunity to pick up a goodie bag which will have one of our prospectuses in, some information about the university, and some guidance on how to explore the town itself if you want to then go and sort of explore Northampton, see where you might potentially be living for the next 3 years. Throughout the day, you'll see lots of staff and student ambassadors around the campus. The student ambassadors are easily identifiable by their blue t-shirts, and if you do see someone around and you want to ask any questions, don't be afraid to approach them. All of our student ambassadors are really friendly and they're there to help you. So during the subject talks, you'll be able to speak to the individual academics for that subject, and they'll be able to walk you through the modules and the course content. Now, it's really important that you pay attention to this modular information, as just because a degree might have the same title as it does at another university, the content can vary between universities. So make sure that you're checking that the content of the course is something that you actually want to study and that the modules are something that you're interested in. The academics will also be able to talk to you about what the assessment methods might be for that particular course. Some courses and modules may be exam-based, whereas some might be more coursework focused. So it's really important that you double check what that is and that it matches up to your learning style. You'll also be able to speak to them and find out about any placement opportunities as well. Some courses you might have the option to take a year out between years 2 and 3 to take a whole year out studying in industry, whereas other courses might have what we call integrated placement modules. So after the open day, do make use of the time that you've got within the town to explore the town itself. Go and have a look in Northampton. You can walk in from the university and just sort of explore the place that you might be living for the next 3 years. Also, don't forget to keep in touch with us after the event. You can find out more information about the courses on our website, and you can also have a look on our YouTube channel and see all of the different course videos we've got in more detail, so you can go back to them and have a look through after the day. Hopefully you found this video helpful in regards to how to prepare and plan for your open day visit. If you do have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we look forward to seeing you here at our next open day. Thanks very much.